I'm not sure I could. They say time heals everything. I'm still waiting. Through with doubt, there's nothing left for me to figure out. I've paid a price, and I'll keep paying. I'm not ready to make nice. I'm not ready to back down. Still mad as hell, and I don't have time to go round and round and round. It's too late to make it right. I probably wouldn't if I could, 'cause I'm mad as hell, can bring myself to do what it is you think I should. I know you said, can't you just get over it? They turned my whole world around. I kinda like it. Make my bed and I sleep like a baby with no regrets, and I don't mind saying it's a sad, sad story that a mother would teach her daughter.